Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds with Sergio. I am your host, Sergio Cabanas, attorney at law, president, owner, and founder of the Cabanas Law Firm here in Pembroke Pines. Thank you for joining us. So today we have an extended version of the 60 Seconds with Sergio because we're going to be tackling an important, often a very common question that I'm asked, which is a little more complicated than our usual questions. So today's topic is, can I contest the validity of a will? For example, I often get clients who come in and say, Sergio, my mom or dad or whoever passed away and I'm left out of their will. Or one of the beneficiaries was influenceable or may have gotten more than his or her fair share of the estate. Well, can anything be done? Technically, yes. There are certain ways it's called contesting the validity of a will. There are three basic grounds to contest a will. One of them, of course, you look at the face of the document itself to see if it complied with Florida state law as far as the execution. That means there has to be a certain amount of witnesses, preferably two witnesses and a notary. And we want to make sure that it comports with the format that Florida law requires. The other one would be, what was the condition of the person's mind at the time they signed the document? For example, if they were under a lot of pain, or if they couldn't think straight because of their medical condition or the drugs that they were taking for their medical condition, then they lacked what lawyers call lucidity, or the mental ability to understand the document they were signing. And finally, one of the big areas, and this is very common here in Florida with retirees and the elderly, which is whether or not a caretaker who suddenly appears and becomes a beneficiary of a will, whether or not that person exercised undue influence on the person who was sick or in their elderly years and incapable of being able to make decisions for themselves. I hope that information was helpful for you. Now remember, the purpose of these videos is to provide some general guidance on commonly asked questions. Of course, this is not a substitute for sitting down with an attorney in a face-to-face meeting to learn more about how the law applies to the specifics of your case. We here at the Cabanas Law Firm stand ready, willing, and able to help you in every way we can. So, if you'd like to learn more about wills, trusts, and estates, and watch more videos relating to that topic, feel free to click right there. Thank you again for watching 60 Seconds with Sergio. We look forward to helping you and seeing you soon. Thank you, and good luck.